Okay, here's a little video on how everything works on this 22 Chrysler Pacifica with the VMI NorthStar conversion. Some of the things that you'll just want to notate as you own the vehicle. Just make sure that you always have at least 5 inches of clearance wherever you're at. The vehicle has about 5 inches of ground clearance in the middle of the vehicle. These are plastic side skirts here, so they cover up the metal frame underneath. You just want to be able to not go over and scrape those. Vehicle does have a crash bar back here, and that's where that fuel tank is, and so it goes around there. This vehicle on this side has power doors. However, the OEM conversion manufacturer VMI disabled that door. That way you can just manually open it. As you close this door, you want to make sure that it latches up front here, but also back here it latches. And then as you get it close, it'll actually suck it in. So just one thing to notate. You also always have to pull on the handle to release the catch down here. So you can't just pull on it like this. You have to pull out to release. Some people have done that and they pulled the door out of the track. So you just want to be gentle with the door. And then the ramp itself here, you grab the handle. It sits in this little holder for storage. So slide it out, and it's standing right where I am. Just pull straight out, that handle will rotate, and then you just walk out the ramp. And you can let it go where you want it to. And when you go to put it away, you're gonna lift it up and pull it in so it's horizontal when you close it. And then you want it to go all the way in until it stops. And then this mid-row seat we installed for you actually flips down using this. So I'll do that. And then this red lever releases the seat. So that way it stores away just like that. So you still have a lot of room. That's open. And then this just talks about the Freedman seat itself. If you ever are driving around and you want the seat up, you can actually put that in there so it doesn't come down while you're driving. It does have this gas prop right here that pushes against the seat. That way it has some resistance so it doesn't flop down on you. Okay, so then once it's here, you're actually just gonna pull up until it's there, and then you can set this to recline the seat back a little bit. And then it does have the seat belt on there as well. So nice setup. Got 3 seats across the back, wheelchair position right here, and then that one back there. And then I'll set up the straps for you as well. That way you're all good to go. And then information about the owner's manual and all that can be found here. This opens up by pressing this here. You have a little storage compartment there, and then the cup holders. So thank you so much for your business and for watching.